Hi, I'm Sean Smith. This is Sean Smith Photos, where I edit street photography and occasional travel photos in On1 Photo Raw. It's been a while since my last video. Life got in the way, uh, busy with work, family, stuff like that. But I am back, and I have truly appreciated the comments that I got from subscribers in that time, as well as all the new subscribers to the channel. That kind of stuff really helps motivate me to keep going. Keep it up, please. I did get a couple of comments that made me think about part of how I present the video. And one of them suggested that I hide my headshot once I get past the introduction. So I'm going to actually do that this time. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Should I hide it during the actual edit or not? Also, it was suggested that the music that I use when I fast forward, especially during masking, is distracting. So I'm thinking that I will reduce the volume on it or remove it entirely. I'm not sure. Again, please let me know what you prefer for that. There will be no fast forwarding in this video. This is going to be pretty short, so let's get to it. All right, so with the latest On1 2023.1, there was improvements to sky swap, and I want to try that out today. So I got this shot facing east of the CN Tower and the railroad tracks with a train coming. I've been at this spot several times and there's never a train. So I was really happy that I got this. And I've done some minor edits, as you can see here in the Develop tab, and I've added a couple of effects, mostly to pull up the shadows, because if I hit the backslash key, you can see this was really dark in the foreground. Now, the shot's okay, but I thought that, the plain blue sky was kind of boring. So let's try this out, and we'll go into Sky tab. And we have a mask already set, and I'm going to choose something like this. And I like this sky, but immediately you can see that it's overlapping some of the buildings, so the masking is not particularly great in this case. So what can we do? Over here, we can change the method from Model A to Model B. And Model B apparently does much better job with buildings in the foreground. Okay, so Model A works great out in nature and landscapes and that sort of thing. Model B is more of an better for urban. So they just trained the AI model differently. Let's give this a shot. Model B. Wait a second. And boom, so much better. Let's take a look at the mask it actually builds. Control M. And we can see the mask there. And we can change this to the red overlay. Yeah, so it's a much better mask. Now, you might want to clean this up and make it really tight rather than having it feathered like that. And I like to do that in the view mode of black and white. And then I make sure I have the perfect eraser or perfect brush on. And I just, hold the Alt key to paint in. And just like that, it's going to remove this auto-generated feather. Okay, so it's not perfect here, but I think that's going to be much better. Let's Control M to view. And that does look better. Now, I want to zoom in here because Control M, what's going on down here? There we go. And hold the space key to get the move tool. oops, Alt that, and Control M, Control 0 to zoom back out. Voila! It's much better than Model A. Now, I think I'm going to choose a different sky and then we'll finish up. So let's close the mask. And yeah, there, let's go with that. I like that. All right, so we're done with that. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.